In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change inches to centimeters in Microsoft Word in just 5 minutes. This task is simple and can be incredibly useful, especially when dealing with documents that need adherence to specific measurement units. So, let's dive right into it. First off, you'll need to open your Word application. This can be done by clicking on the Word icon, typically found on your desktop or in your program list. Once Word is open, look to the top left of your screen, and you'll see the File tab. Go ahead and click on that. The File tab is your gateway to the Backstage view, where you can manage settings and options beyond just document content. After clicking File, you'll notice a menu panel unfolding on the left. In that list, you'll see Options near the bottom of the panel. Click on it. This will open up the Word Options dialog box. Inside the Word Options window, find and select the General category on the left-hand side. In the General Settings section, focus your attention on the area labeled When Creating New Documents. Here, you'll spot the drop-down menu labeled Show Measurements in Units of. This is where you can change your default measurement units. It's currently set to inches, but by clicking on the drop-down arrow, you'll reveal a list of alternative units. Scroll through these options until you see centimeters. Click on centimeters to select it. Now that you've selected your desired unit of measurement, centimeters, you need to save your settings. To do this, click the OK button at the bottom right of the Word Options window. This action saves your new settings and closes the dialog box. And just like that, you've successfully changed the measurement unit in Word from inches to centimeters. If you now open any document, you'll see that the rulers and any measurements will reflect in centimeters. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference, especially for those working on projects that require precision in metric measurements. Remember, you can always revert these settings back to inches or any other units by following the same steps. Once you become familiar with how to navigate through these settings, changing units becomes a quick and easy task. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and now you can seamlessly switch between measurement units in Word. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and guides.